check. So for Etude House, yeah, we have here Total Age Repair, Wrinkle Reduce Royal BB Cream, SPF 45 PA+++, Anti-Wrinkle and Whitening. Yay! Na-try ko na to sa Lucky Chinatown Mall. And, sobrang ganda. Next is this one, Color My Brows. And what's the shade of this one? Ano ba shade nito? Number 4. Ano ba yung number 4? It's either natural brown or rich brown. Pero I think this one is natural brown. Yay! Of course, Curl Fix Mascara. Actually, maganda pala siya talaga. As in, super ganda. Kasi ginamit ko siya kanina sa model ko and nag-lengthen talaga siya. At the same time, naka-curl. Seriously, naka-curl siya. Kaya yun. Curl Fix Mascara. This one is the Drawing Show Etude House. Ano ba ito? Yes! Eyeliner siya. Eyeliner na black. Felt tip eyeliner. Yay! Yeah. Perfect brow tip. There. Minsan pag pag tahimik lang ako pero nakangiti ako, speechless ako, ibig sabihin tuwang-tuwa ako. Talaga explain it. Bago for Etude House. Yes. Actually yung gusto ko yung surprise dark circle brightening. Kaso face out na ata siya. So ito yung ipapalit nila. Big Cover Concealer Kit. Let's try. Excited. Wow! Tatlo! Ang galing. Kasi yung sa surprise concealer, yung isa, dalawa lang. Ito tatlo. And ang maganda kasi meron siya nito. Perfect for dark circles. Then this one naman, perfect for mga dark spots. Ito for brightening. Yes! Perfect talaga. So, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Yay! Thank you so much, Etude House. Apat lang siya for Tony Moon. Siyempre, I got this. The Ferment Snail BB Cream, SPF 45 PA+++, Whitening, Anti-Wrinkle, and Sun Protect. There. Tada. Oh my God. Let me check. Talaga excited talaga ako. Oh, yes! May pump. Ang ganda ng packaging. Go. This one. Tony Moly Goat Milk Pure CC SPF 30 PA++. There. Ta-da! And I believe pumped it. Yay! Good job, Tony Moly. Sobra. For the pump. Very hygienic. I love it. This one, yan. Tony Moly Luminous Goddess Aura BB Cream. SPF 37 PA++. Goddess Aura. Yes. Oh my gosh. Of course. Timeless Carrot Dual Concealer. Yes. Sobrang natutuwa ako dito. As in, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng 2-in-1 concealer na diba? Sobrang innovative nung packaging. As in, grabe. Nga naman, if you want to bring this one lang, you can. Without bringing this one. Diba? If you want this, you can. Ang shade niya is O2. Yun lang yung comment ko for Tony Moly. Yung mga shades nila, it's either number, tapos Korean. I can't understand Korean. If they can come up with the English shade, much better. So, a total of 4 items from Sumi Mole. Okay. For my food, ayan. Ayan, steaks. Ayan, dumating na yung food ko. So, ang in-order ko is the Katsudon Teishoku, 269 pesos. Meron ka ng katsu, miso soup, hindi ko na. Basta miso soup, and California maki. And I'm still waiting for my lemon iced tea. So, girls, boys, bon appetit. I'm gonna eat first. Done with my food na hindi ko siya naubos. As in, hindi ko talaga siya naubos. Pero, tinake out ko na lang siya, yung maki. Inubos ko yung katsudon and the miso soup. And yun, lemon iced tea. Pero yung maki, hindi ko naubos. Bale, later na lang. Kainin ko siya sa studio since doon ako matutulog. Kasi may makeup gig ako tomorrow, 1 p.m. Grabe, yung Sun Shop. Diyos ko, basement na nga, sobrang dulo pa. At ang daming tao. Gosh! Pero sige, okay lang. Caribel, Carbombong. Yung linya na hanggang labas na. Come on, Sun Shop. Finally done. Medyo matagal lang talaga yung pila. Kasi twice daw nag-out yung server sa computer ng Sun. Clerksburgs talaga. Siguro mga nasa, close to 30 minutes din akong nag-aantay. Ganda na ito. Blue. Bias ako. Ganda rin ito. I love it. Guess who visited me here? And my brother and my mother. Ayan. Lalalala. Ay? Ay? Clerksburgs.
Laki ng tiyan, oh. Laki ng tiyan.
Ayan. Hi, Rachel again. Hi. I'm dito si Ate Susan. Hi. Say hi. Kawawa naman. Parang sa likod ko na lang kaya biyakin. No, kawawa eh. Animal cruelty. Charot. Ano, boulangerie. Oh my God! Oh, what is inside? There. Ano to? It's a carrot cake.
Yes, very good.
Kasi nga naman, bunny siya. Nga naman.
Correct.
It's a bunny, kaya carrot cake. Sarap.
That's good.
Sarap! Ayan. Before I end the night, or bago ako magpaalam sa inyo, yes, paalam. Papakita ko naman sa inyo yung binili ko kanina. 2 items lang naman siya dito sa Thrift Market. Shopthriftmarket.com. Meron sila Instagram, Facebook. Instagram is Shop Thrift Market. Facebook, Shop Thrift Market. Yan. Ito. Actually, ito, pinag-iisipan ko kung beige or black. So, maganda siya kasi skirt siya. Pero, ayan o. So, yung front part niya, maiksi, and then the back part, yan. Medyo mahaba. Maganda siya kasi parang A-line. Parang pwede na siyang pang formal event, diba? Or something. Originally, itong skirt na to, 845. Yan. Pero, since 50% off, 423 na lang siya. And this is the maxi dress. Ang cute niya kasi parang, ayun o, yung design niya sa baba. Kasi maganda siya. Yan. Good siya for, summer, beach, diba? I love it. Ang ganda ng design, tsaka yung color. Very refreshing and all that. So, eto, 895 siya, which is mura na rin for a maxi dress, diba, originally. Since naka 30% off siya, 627 na lang. Kaya total nilang dalawa ay 1,050 pesos. Yay! Nag-flat lay lang uli ako. Tapos, ito yung natanggap kong items from Super Beauty. Thank you so much! So, meron tayong tint BB cream. Ito yan. Velvet finish daw siya. Ito yung highlight and contour powder nila. Yan, contouring kit. Meron din silang tint fluid foundation. Actually, ito, ano to? Turn your skin flawless. And I'm in the shade Fair. Meron siyang green tea extract, hyaluronic acid, ano to? Tsubaki oil and vitamin E. SPF 15 na rin siya. This one naman is the tint two-way foundation. Turn your skin flawless. Tsubaki oil, vitamin E, green tea extract, and hyaluronic acid. SPF 15. Siguro. So, ito yung 4 na shades ng So Matte line nila. Yan. So Matte Lip and Cheek Therapy. And what's the shade of this one? This one is Polaris. Ito naman ay Astra. This one is Aquarius and Zodiac. Ayan. And yes, candy lovers, don't you worry dahil meron din po akong pag-giveaway dito kay Super Beauty. Kaya really, stay tuned for it. Hi guys, ayan, nilagyan ko lang ng handle wraps ang mga bags from Oh My Bag PH. So, etong strap na to, nabubulol na naman ako kasi anong oras na, Joy Sola, yung totoo, di ka pa matulog. Anyway, etong style na to is Bambini, and then yun yung Isabel, and then this one is Hailey. Oh, yan. So, if you wanna get your own handle wraps, just go to Oh My Bag PH. Yun yung website nila, and follow them on their Instagram account. It's Oh My Bag Pills. P-H-I-L-S. Pills. So, there. Alam nyo ba, candy lovers, sometimes alam nyo ba, candy lovers, sometimes gusto ko na silang ibenta or pamigay. Kaso, i-experience ko yung cold feet minsan eh. Parang I can't let go of the things. Kasi may sentimental value siya. Naalala ko yung times na binili ko sila or natanggap ko sila as a gift or, yung mga ganung bagay. Kaya, ayun. Kaso naman, iisa lang ang aking mukha. Ay. At ayoko namang ma-expire na lang to. But, I make sure that all of my makeups are well sanitized. That's why I'm using 99% alcohol. Yan now. So, yun. Ayusin ko na muna to kasi gulo-gulo na. Look. Sobrang gulo na. And then, dapat matulog na ako kasi marami pa akong gagawin. Anyway, good night, candy lovers. And hindi ko na mapakita ang aking mukha kasi